So good. So maybe I think now to finalize, maybe you can now share about your practices. How do you do like yourself in order to live a more balanced and positive life?
Well, all the stuff that I make my clients do, I mean, I practice what I preach, and I only help people with things that I've experienced that have helped me, right? So I think through this journey, in the last 2 years, I had massive anxiety bouts. I think 2022 was the year of anxiety for me. Like, it was the theme of the year for me. And I think for a lot of people also, because we just came out of COVID and life completely changed. 360-degree, life was something else. We didn't know how to live in the new world, right? Social anxiety. How do you take your work ahead? People were behaving strange because the 3 years of isolation, just made people different people. And it was a collective shift in the consciousness, in the universe, and in the whole human kind. Everybody changed. We went through a forest and we came out on the other side being different species altogether. And I think that brought about a lot of awareness also in people, because you really don't make a change until you feel comfortable, right? Yeah. You don't take that first step to improve yourself till you feel comfortable and you're pushed to a certain degree that now, listen, it's do or die situation, you better do it, And that's what happened for me, I think, in 2022, where anxiety was really at its peak and I didn't know how to be in touch with my emotions. And I was like, what do I do? How do I breathe? Like, there were times where I was so drowned in my emotions, be it fear, anger, sadness. I have felt all of it in that year. And to a degree where I wanted to run away from myself. I didn't know how to face them because they were so overwhelming. I think everything was just resurfacing. And more during the full moon time. So that was what I noticed, Full moons can really bring about a shift in the way you feel, because it changes our dynamics in the body, because we are 40%, we are 70% water, and moon really plays with the tides, right? So moon has an effect on the water, and it resurfaces everything for you, whatever you've not really processed or been okay to face. It really brings up everything. And that's what I think happened for me in 2022. And I sought help. I did go to my therapist. I spoke out to her and I understood where this was coming from. I worked on myself. I started journaling. I started meditating. I started listening to a lot of spiritual content. Like, in a day, couple of hours would go in just understanding what's human life, why is the anxiety happening, what do we got to do.